What's up YouTube? It's your boy Mitri and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm gonna be playing some Cars Fast as Lightning. And I'm also here with my brother. It's my other brother, not Trey, this time it's Jeremiah, and my sister is here in the Giant also. So I'm gonna be playing some Cars Fast as Lightning today. Cause guys, like, we're so rich. I just want you guys to see this. But anyways, I'm gonna show you after I finish racing. But guys, we're like so rich. My brother and me are very rich. So, and I do have Lightning McQueen. I just racing with Francesco right now. As you can hear, my brother is right there. You can hear his own too. So yeah, let's just play, you know. Alright. So, Maya, you can say hi.
Hello.
Chaya, you can come say hi.
Hi.
We need to talk about it again.
Hi.
And guys, my sister has a YouTube channel also, but she doesn't record anymore. I don't know why she stopped.
I do record more, but guys, like, I'm trying to, like, my dad, like, he took a picture of me and we have to wait for the form or whatever to come in so that I can have, like, my new, I forgot what they call, like, logo or something like that. And then when that comes in, I will start recording again. But please subscribe and, like, and comment down below with my videos and check it out.
So yeah guys, we're just gonna be racing. Did you guys saw my money? Like, I have so much, and me and my brother. See guys, that's a lot. I'm not even gonna lie.
I win.
That's a lot. So yeah. So we're just gonna be racing. I'm racing Lightning McQueen. Guys, we have I have every single car in the game. Also, my brother has every single car. So yeah, we just like to race with different cars.
They are on level 22.
I on level 7.
Me too.
Well, two us on level 7. So yeah. So I'm just gonna upgrade him.
This is brilliant.
They can see it.
Goodbye then,
Yes,
ta-ta.
See the money right on top there. You should turn it in. But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna upgrade Francesco because I'm gonna keep upgrading him. So I would love to worry about upgrading anymore until I reach probably Lightning McQueen, because I know he's gonna be extreme. I know he's the fastest car. So guys, you know who they should add inside this? They should add Jackson Storm. You think so, Maya?
Yes.
They should add Jackson Storm inside this. From the new Cars 3, they should add Jackson Storm and that girl. The girl who teach Lightning McQueen. That's who they should add. So yeah. I'll see you guys when I start racing again. Okay guys, so I'm gonna race now. I upgraded it to full max. To 110. That's the max, so yeah. Hopefully I get beat by the upgrade, but bro, I don't think I can upgrade anymore. It doesn't show the upgrade button, so yeah. Oh, this car is fast. My bad. I missed. So that's just my. If you heard that just now, that's my sister talking to my brother, Trey. So, yeah. Guys, Lightning McQueen track is way bigger than this. Like Francesco and Reddy. McQueen track is probably it ain't the best track, cause you know some of them tracks, the neon tracks, and they have a bunch of tricks and stuff. So the McQueen track ain't the best. So yeah, guys, I'll just pause the video and I'll unpause it when I'm racing with Lightning McQueen. Guys, I changed my mind. I'm just gonna show you the races until I reach the Lightning McQueen. So I'm just gonna show you the races. I think you guys will wanna see the races, so that's why. Sorry if I'm not talking much, guys. Focusing right now. So let's move on my screen now. Okay, we're almost done. Okay. Alright, guys, you saw that? What? How was he close to me like that? Okay then. I have one fuel left, but I level up. My highest level 8 now. What level you is? Still 7? Why are you still 7? Okay, what do I wanna buy? I gotta buy that. Trey, stop eating all the peanut butter. Sorry guys, that's my little brother eats way too much peanut butter. I don't know if it's good for him, but anyways.
Guys, please comment down below if you eat a lot of peanut butter and if you think it's good for you. And also comment down below if you play this game.
Okay guys, I'm sorry for not talking much, but I'm really trying to focus right now. So, I'm sorry for that. Not focusing. I mean, not talking. My bad. Okay. Whew, I'm almost there to Lightning McQueen.
How much more do you need to get to Lightning McQueen?
Oh, I'm racing him now. Okay, guys, finally, this is the last race. I'm racing Lightning McQueen.
The one you've been waiting for.
With the reason you guys all clicked on this video. So, probably not the reason why you all clicked on this video. So, because I'm still gonna be racing with other people. So I'm 110 and Lightning McQueen is 106. So I'm faster by an inch. By 4. Faster by 4. Okay then. Okay, Lightning McQueen is fast. We could fill it up Mayo because we have a lot of money and diamonds. Wow, what? Oh, he's right behind me. I'm not gonna use the 5 diamonds boost because I don't wanna cheat. I'm just gonna say I got a fair race. So yeah. Just gonna say I got a fair race. Well, he was right behind me right now, but I still won. I won, guys. Hooray! Yep.
Comment down below if you ever beat Lightning McQueen inside this game before.
I level up to level 9 already. For some reason, I don't know how.
You did it.
But now I'm gonna race with somebody else. Let me pick race. Who I'm gonna race with. Sorry guys, I missed and paused the video for some reason. I don't know why. You know what? I'm gonna.
Guys, he's trying to focus. Like a lot.
I'm gonna see who I'm gonna race with. I'm gonna race with Finn. I'm still gonna race.
Looks like you ran out of fuel. Get a free refill to keep racing.
Okay. I didn't have to pay for it this time, but anyways.
You laying on the charger, bro? My bad.
Lovely day for a bit of fun.
Get up, but you laying on it. Okay, now you can lay down.
Guys, this is extreme, so I don't know if I'm gonna win.
It looks like Finn is in front.
No, that's not in in the front. I get beat.
Yep, my brother's losing.
Well, so fast.
Lied by a lot.
Bro, this dude is all the way in the front of me. I can't even see him. I probably shouldn't have raced with extreme. No! Okay, I lost. Guys, I'm a
He
quitter.
seems so depressed.
I'm a quitter, guys. Don't blame me. Don't
He
you
is not a quitter. He's
dare
just mad when
blame
he
me.
loses. You shut up. I do not be mad.
Maybe.
Or fully.
Not fully.
Mara, see you movie with you.
Who am I gonna race with? Gonna race with. The video ain't gonna be too long. I signed into YouTube. I signed in with my phone number and
I
thing.
know, but you shouldn't make it so long.
But it's my video. I can make it however long. I'm gonna race with this dude. I'm gonna do
Guys,
more
my brother
races.
is making this video so long. But keep watching until the end. Maybe he will.
I'm gonna be racing
surprise
with this
you.
dude. 3 races. This track is awesome. I love this track. I watched it on YouTube and I was like, I always wanted this track. And now I finally have it.
Because he has a lot of money.
So
He
it's
has
gonna
more
be
than
racing.
80,000. Like,
Racing people. Oh, I have a lot of people to race, and I have to race Lightning McQueen. How much people have to race Lightning McQueen, bro? He's supposed to be racing the person who he's supposed to unlock next. But anyways, not complaining.
just
Guys,
focus
if
on
you
your
think this dude who I'm using is TJ Brother, comment down below. Hashtag TJ Brother. Because them two look alike. Don't you guys think so? They look alike.
That's who you're using the race, right? And who went for it?
Me, I in front, of course.
Like I
Okay,
said.
guys, here we go. We're on the track.
Like I said, he may surprise you.
Huh? Well, don't answer it then. Shia, don't answer it. Because when me say don't answer that. Yeah, don't answer it. Don't answer it. You're retarded. Guys, this track is awesome. I'm gonna finish this. So guys, that's gonna be my last race for the day.
I am the champion.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll
comment
see you
down below all the things we said. Comment down below, please.
And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.